Yeah, we were inviting yung players to Alas, the players identified by Coach Sai from the universities and from the other club teams. So the last time we were here, okay lang umaten kasi nga gusto talaga namin mag-umpisa na yung training in preparation for the ABC Women's Cup. So we decided to call again for another meeting kung sino talagang gusto, sino talagang sumali sa Alas. So, like sabi nga namin palagi, yung ayaw na maglaro, okay lang. We will not force kung ayaw maglaro. Yung mga gustong maglaro, na mga umaten today, thank you very much. At least, alam namin na yung kooperasyon ng player na gusto talagang maglaro para sa bayan. So, ng UAP Championship, may napapahinga, okay lang. So, we try again to talk to them and see if they're willing again to play for Dallas. Sa Lasal kasi, ang iniimbita namin si Canino, Fabido, and Laco. Nangyari kay Coach Sai, vaccinated siya. Very sad to say he will be out 2 to 3 months. So definitely he won't be available for the ABC Women's Cup. So ang balik niya, most likely CV League na. So I already talked with the coaches among yourself, plan out sino ang pwedeng maging head coach sa inyo for the meantime to run the training, no? Yung naglaro ng SEA Games na we also invited all of them. They said they cannot play anymore. Fine.